Welcome guys to another video. It's Crypto Weapon here, showcasing Quopi AI and how it's progressing very nicely, guys. I must say this is an AI bot, as you know, and if you follow my channel, guys, I must say initially this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, nor am I your financial advisor. I am just documenting my journey on YouTube. Now guys, I am going to highlight this, which is obviously the gains that have taken place on a day-to-day basis. Now this is a trading bot that's trading the stock market, New York Stock Exchange, that is. And I like this. This has just happened. So they did 5 trades and all of them hit, and none were negative. So this is fantastic, 4%. So as I do, I'm going to go in and withdraw this 4%. So allow me to sign in. Right, okay, so guys, we're in. So we're obviously offline at the minute because the stock exchange has shut, and it will reopen in 13 hours. If we look at this 4% is what has just obviously they've gained, and that is my balance of 19 USDT that I'm able to withdraw. Let's have a look. So if we look at view details of the 500, we can see that I've made profit to date of 260, which is 52% of 500 USDT. 24 days. I've just got 6 more days before I complete my cycle. I haven't clicked the automatic restake, so I'm good. These are all my withdrawals that I've completed, guys. So 19, 10, 9, 18, 7. So these are all the withdrawals, and I'm very, very happy with that. It's been consistent. Obviously, you can go into notifications if you like. Profit received, so that's just notifying me of my profit that I've just received. What else can I show you real quick, guys? This platform is performing fantastic. I've got no complaints. Withdrawals are smooth. We can take a look at the let's see, let's view all details. Let's take a look at the trades. So if you want, you can actually look at the trades. So these are the companies, General GE. You've got NVDA. I feel like I know that. Apple. I can't remember what this one is. NVIDIA. I can't remember. But this is obviously showing you that they've traded well. The full report is there as well. If you are interested, let's have a look. So these are the reports of all the trades, when they went in, the time they bought, and when they sold. And that was sort of 18 minutes apart, and they made that margin. Again here, the price they went in, the time they went in, and the price they sold. So 153.99, and they did that roughly about 34 minutes apart, and they got that margin. So if you wanted to click in here and view the actual charts, you can do so. So this bot is working nicely, and these are all the profits. That one's PayPal, Apple, etc, etc. So beautiful thing, guys. Now let me quickly do a withdrawal and get out of here. Let me get in and get out. It's all about getting paid. Guys, remember to put your 2FA on your platforms. So let's withdraw. Now the withdrawals are instant, guys. They are extraordinarily fast. I haven't had any problems with withdrawals. Within 5 minutes max, your withdrawal will be in your crypto exchange wallet, So let me pop that in very quickly, guys. If you care to like and subscribe, that is much appreciated. it will just keep me doing these videos as consistently as possible. Let's have a look. Alright. Okay, open it to FA, withdraw, and it's all done. There's a link for the Telegram group in the description. I try and post all my videos there, and any information I have on the platforms there first. Guys, on this note, I'm just going to say hands up to Quopi AI. It's been tremendous, powerful platform. Do your due diligence on these platforms. This one's working for me. I'm going to go in without a shadow of a doubt. This platform, Quopi AI, is the future, and everyone who's joined behind me, I appreciate you. Thank you for doing that, and I hope we win together. It's all a risk, but we're on the up and up so far on this channel. And with that being said, I am outro.